Hi, this is Baloch. Many of my friends told me they wanted to start reading books. Therefore, they requested that I should suggest them some books that I have read in my life, and I found them worth reading. So here are 5 books that I have selected from my library. So let me introduce them one by one. Well, I will start with my all-time favorite novel, The Alchemist by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. It was published in 1988. It's a fiction book, but it has motivated thousands of readers around the world. Well, this is a story of a shepherd boy named Santiago who starts his journey from Spain and goes to Egypt in search of worldly treasure. And one of the favorite quotes from this novel for me is, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. And it's a very short novel, let me tell you. It's only 158 pages. I read it within 6 hours. I remember when I was coming from Karachi to HOSSEINI, I knew it was going to be a long drive, so I just wanted to utilize my time. I got a copy of this book from Karachi, although I had a copy of this book already at my home, but I don't mind having 2 copies of this masterpiece. Now, if you are interested in national politics and you want to read an unbiased political history of Pakistan, then I suggest you should read Pakistan, a Art Country by Anatole Leven. Anatole Leven sheds a thorough light on Pakistan and its regions, its religious traditions, its political landscapes, its cultural values, and more. I found this book very informative, and this is indeed a very well-researched book. The third book is another novel, The Kite Runner by KHALE HOSSEINI, and this is a story based on friendship between 2 boys named Amir and Asam. This is an astonishing and powerful novel. It has also remained New York's bestseller, so give it a read. Now I'm very glad to introduce you to this book, Brief Answers to the Big Questions by Stephen Hawking. This was published in 2018. And in this book, Stephen Hawking has tried to answer the 10 big questions, the 10 most asked questions in the world. And this is also his last book. Most of the books that we read, they either talk about past or present. But this book, Homo Deus, talks about the future. It says what is going to happen to a human being in the time to come. These are the 5 books that I recommend everyone should read. Thank you.